snowstorm.
Yeah, so we're gonna make a snowstorm, a fake one. Okay, so our materials are a jar. Well, we don't really have a jar. You can use a cup. We're using a cup and some baby oil. But we're gonna try it without the baby oil first because we don't have baby oil. And then
we're gonna wait to buy it.
And so if the baby oil, if it doesn't work without the baby oil, we're gonna try it with just regular oil. So we're gonna need white paint, water, iridescent glitter, Alka-Seltzer. All right, we have Alka-Seltzer. So let's go get the glitter and white paint. Okay?
Just get it. Wait a second, guys.
A few moments later.
Guys, we're now.
So we have our
Glitter.
We have our glitter.
White paint.
So we're supposed to fill in the jar 3/4 of the way with baby oil. Ooh, I don't have baby oil.
Then we water slide and that done quick. Just the way we're bye.
Okay, so let's just try it without any baby oil.
Okay, that's enough.
Let's just put it in and let's see if it works. So
I'm gonna do it.
Working?
It's working.
Oh, it's not working. It's just sizzling.
I can't see it.
Oh, this is a fail.
We do.
Okay, so then in another cup or bowl, you can mix. Well, you have to mix.
I want to do it.
Let's do it. Hold on.
I want to do it.
Paint.
I want to do it.
Paint.
I want to
Here,
do it.
Put the paint in. Okay, so we've gotten our white paint / water / glitter.
Glitter. Yes. Put it in. Put it in that.
I'm gonna put the last part in.
Yes.
Poke it.
Poco, 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 poco.
Okay, there. Okay, now what we need to do is pour this into the oil.
Let me do it.
Awesome.
It's snowstorm.
We need a little bit more.
Hey! It's working.
There.
It's working.
Oh, look at that.
The snowstorm is done.
No, it's not a snowstorm yet, but
We need cabbage.
almost. So then, look how cool it looks.
Look.
Okay, I think we can go for it. So wait. Oh, break it into 2 pieces.
On 2 pieces?
Yeah, we need to break it into 2 pieces.
Yes, that's why it's not working.
Yeah.
Look like it's magic snow for me.
A what?
It look like real snow.
It does. It's supposed to.
But it's here.
Okay, so let's go. Let's try it. Ready?
Set,
Put it.
go. It's working.
Dude, that is so cool. Look at it.
It's working.
Oh my god, it's so cool.
It's working.
Look, it's working.
It's Oh, the snowstorm is
snowing.
Yes. Oh, it's already here. It's already here. Put
my gosh.
Put another one in. Put another one in.
Put another one? Sure.
Yes. It's a snow.
Awesome.
It's snow.
So, thank you guys for watching, and this concludes our little
Put another one. Put another one.
Okay. Awesome, right? Did you like the experiment?
Yes, it's snowstorming. I can't wait to show my mom this.
Bye.